trying to get this dresser finished for the last month and a half, but I'm back to working on the road for the last month. I've been living out of a hotel room, home for a couple days, and then back on the road. So there again, it's just how the job has changed over the last few years, but that's where we're at. So anyway, let's get to it. Sanding in between your coats of poly, you have some options. I like the Norton sanding pads. They last a long time and they don't get metal fibers all through everything. They're kind of like a really fine Scotch-Brite pad. You can also use a double-aught steel wool. This works really well. It polishes things up nicely, gets all the little air bubbles out for you. But the problem with this stuff is you get those metal fibers everywhere. They get in your work, you're sucking them up. I don't care for using these too much. All we're going to do with these, we're going to take this pad and we're just going to scuff the surface. I can feel a little bit of roughness right here, especially up through here. The walnut's pretty decent because I've already done this a couple times on the walnut. And I just fold it over. You don't press hard. You just scuff it. That's all you're doing. And what that should do is it's going to take any of those rough patches out. Again, we're going to start on the walnut panel, even though it really shouldn't be an issue now that we have that layer of stains sealed up. This is a final coat for this face, so I just go real light with it. Again, work my strokes back, slightly lift the brush off, and keep it moving as you do it, and that'll eliminate, you won't be able to tell where you ended with the brush. And hold the piece up once in a while, just check it with the light, and that's the only way you're really going to be able to tell if you miss spots. And after doing an edge like that, up here, yay, more drawer slides, woo!